In today's particular video, we will talk about the power and ability of grade 1 sorcerer, how they are so strong, and what unique power they have. So fans of Jujutsu Kaisen, get ready. I am bringing up Jujutsu Kaisen video after a long time. So watch it carefully, and if you're looking it, then don't it carefully. And if you like it, then forget like this video and share this video and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to watch new video, so let they can get a new videos and we get a new subscriber. It's getting very faster, so support this channel fully with my fans. Let's start this video. So grade 1 sorcerer of Jujutsu Kaisen comes from the top of the sorcerer typically ranking. Basically, these people are ranked according to their strength. The strongest the person is, the higher his grades will be, whether its tool curse. Sorcerer have becoming as strong as the curse of their opponent upper grades. From this grade, so by this rule, grade 1 sorcerer can handle most of the grade curse and spreads, and through natural progression, and any person can reach from grade 4 to grade 1, but special grade 1 are special from the beginning because of their strong inherited technique and use curse reservation. So basically, these people are born with special powers and use amount of curse energy. So basically, these are born with special power. So this is how the system works. Well, if anyone can change the system, then they are the two protagonists of this series, Yuji Itadori and Megumi Fushiguro. So let's start this list. So first one on the list is Kyoto of Jujutsu Kaisen, third year student Todo. What can I do say about this guy? And my favorite too, me and Todo are very similar. Mimi and Todo are very similar in this term of woman, and we both love and dolls with a big but some personal reason. Todo is the most hated character among the Jujutsu students. I don't know why. Todo is very powerful and very talented, understand and explaining the curse and their flows. He taught him to use Black Fast and utilize Yuji potential in a very short time. Gozo really needs some teaching advice from him. Well, Todo doesn't belong to any major clan or family. Despite this, he is counted among the strongest students of Jujutsu Kaisen higher. His sensei is one of the four special sorcerers, Yuki Tsuzumuko, which can be seen by looking at Todo in the night. Friday of 100 at Todo. Pride of 100 demons incidents. Todo single-handedly defeated 5 grade and first spirit without using his technique. Along with, with this, he is also very smart. He also an IQ of 13,000. Well, this is in all claims. I can say anything on this, but yes, he is very smart. Todo knows how to use his curse energy and his techniques on full potential, so that he can avoid the next attack. Also, he can perform Black Flash at some point. The name of Todo technique is Boogie Boogie, in which Todo can switch himself any other curse energy or any other person. Infused things are very limited range. Not only that, Todo can switch any two objects with himself. Todo claps with his hand to use this technique. Clap with one hand. Tell me, how can you do it? In fact, he can also clap on the body or the other person, body of other person, other object. He can also use special grade like playful crowd, etc. Coming to the number 2, Mashima Yaga, the principal and the father of Panda Yaga. The principal and the father of Yaga. Yaga was also the master of Gojo, teacher of the Gojo, and Gato and Shoko before him. Mashima Yaga technique is curse cops, where he can give a curse energy to any toy. And with this, he can also control them using techniques Yaga made Panda, who has, unlike others, curse cops. Three different curse cops who observe each other, and Panda also him has self-awareness. According to Yoshiba, this technique is Yaga is very dangerous, and with this help of this Yaga can make whole army of a curse cop. And like Panda, Yaga has promised never do this to manga readers. Don't give the spoilers. You think how powerful is Panda? And he can make more. So what does this guy need? Is so strong for so strong army. Just his mind, and then we can see polar bears or slot monkeys and many more. Next in this list is not a big sis Mimi. Was a senior of from Gojo batch, and mostly she worked independently for money. Mimi used to think, and she was one a very weak techniques. And after this, and she made her a comeback very good, and she also become a very strong after this. Her technique is black blood manipulation, in which she can combine curse cops with her curse energy and control them. Mimi also shared her vision. Let me explain. The girl put a blending of the on the word, in which she makes the curse cop commit suicide for Mimi in exchange of the curse energy. Well, a girl thinks the curse cop strikes infuses with the high curse energy is also deadly, that even a special grade spirit can die in one strike. According to Mimi, only Gojo survived from the bird strike. Mimi technique is very similar to Novara hair pin strikes. One thing you should learn from Mimi, that whatever you do it for money. Money is more important. And lastly comes pure husband of Fasan material, in which Gojo curse is Kanto Nanami. Well, Kanto is meaning is smart. Curse for depression and happiness. Nanami words is written in Japanese as seven C's, which is reference to his plan to settle in Malaysia after his retirement. Also, it can pronounce say 7 and 3, which is reference to his inheritance ability ratio technique. Nanami left sorcery and joined a job in a commercial company immediately after graduating from Josuai High. But after 4 years, he got bored. He got bored with his job. He left his job and written in Jutsu Kaisen, Jutsu schools. Nanami is the strongest person among grade 1 sorcerers, who can easily handle a normal sorcerer, who can easily handle a special grade sorcerers. Who, Nanami is also one of the rare people and one of the most favorite peoples, who is one of the first people in his family who decided to becoming a Jutsu sorcerer. Still, he has come a long way. Nanami curse technique is a ratio technique, in which he can divide his opponent into 10 lines create a weak spot them in the 7:3. Nanami can draw a line from any part from the opponent attacks, which means he can attack the opponent at the same time on many parts at instance. Also, Nanami has made a blending with himself in which after 6 o'clock his curse energy will increase double, which is called part time, overtime. Nanami is most well handled character in the series, and this guys deserve a separate video of his own. So what do you say, a separate video should be made? Do it, tell me in the comment. If you watch this video till end, then thank you for watching. Like this video, share this video and subscribe this channel. Next I will see you in next video. Thank you for watching.